Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to be answering a common question that we get asked about where the water valve is located on a Samsung refrigerator. Let's get started. On most newer Samsung refrigerators, the water valve is located behind the water filter in what Samsung calls the water filter case assembly. Here we've got a filter case assembly that's partially disassembled so you can see its internal components. The water valve controls water flow to the ice maker and the water dispenser. When the water valve fails, it can cause water to not flow to the ice maker or to the water dispenser. It can also cause water to leak out of the water dispenser or leak into the fill tube onto the ice maker. The water valve has two different solenoids on it. One controls water flow to the ice maker. The other one controls flow to the water dispenser. It also has a flow meter that measures the amount of water flowing through the valve. If you find that you have a bad water valve, in most cases it's not sold separately and you'll need to purchase it as part of the filter case assembly. If you do need to replace the filter case assembly, we have another video that goes step by step on how to replace it. In some rare cases, Samsung does sell the valve separately. You'll want to check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.